That's the other SentrySafe, safe or fire safety safe. That's a lot of safes in one sentence that I just said there, but this one is my favorite. This is the kind of newly designed for this series. It has the big SentrySafe written over here, that rugged hard plastic cover as you see right there. This one is just a little bit smaller than the last one I've shown you on this channel, but I like the updated face that you see right here. It has that kind of black on black. This one is number 12 as you see it right here. I really like this one, how the handle goes in flush with a part of the safe here, and it comes with keys just like the other ones as you see here. The keys, the little tiny one here that locks and unlocks it. Let me just open it real quick. As you see, yes, I have the other key in here because I don't use this one as much as the other one. In this one, I throw stuff that's kind of important, but it's more objects that are not exactly life-threatening emergency or life-saving emergencies. These I just threw here just as an example. These are not what I actually keep on it, obviously. $2. Well, in emergency, I guess $2 would be still $2. But as a sample, what you would have on it, money, copies of your car keys, little USB drive with your important documents on it, rings, which I don't really wear, but rings, jewelry, an extra phone. Yes, as I said, if you watched the last video with the other SentrySafe, the other bigger model from this one, I showed where I actually keep one of these phones, and yes, it has an actual SIM card inside. Not sure if you can see it there. And I just use this one because of any emergency, God forbid ever happens, I need an extra phone. If the other ones just go AWOL, burn up, get wet, whatever, I have a phone to contact. And it has all my emergency contacts and other contacts that might be important inside it. And yes, it has a SIM card that I just pay to keep it alive. It has, I think, 300 minutes and maybe 500 messages. No data or anything fancy, because it's only emergency. So I don't need to pay monthly for this one or anything. It just stays alive like that. This here would be the documents. Now, this is a little bit smaller than regular US letter or A4 format for our friends in Europe. And if I'm not wrong, the rest of the world calls this paper size A4. Now, this, you can fit them if it's just a few documents, with the exception that it will kind of bend right there. I use it this way so it doesn't really bother me, but you could put passports, you could put car insurance, papers that you could handle, you could fold and put them this way if that bothers you. And besides that, this is the model 1200. I'm not going to show the serial number on this one, but this is not made to store any weapons or explosive tools, which, and by explosive, I don't mean the bad stuff. I mean just, I don't know, anything with gas or whatnot that has potential to damage around it if it implodes or explodes. Besides that, it holds anything else, quite thick walls, really sturdy and quite heavy. It locks really nice. It is not meant to be a safe in the meaning of a safe that's unbreakable, untouchable, and unpenetrable. That is not the purpose of this safe. Yes, it has a key, but as you see, this key here, it doesn't matter what you have inside it. The whole safe can just be taken and run away with. So that is not the main purpose of this safe. The key goes in here just so not anybody can pick it and unlock it, know that. But the main part and main reason of its existence is to actually keep safe your documents and items in case of a fire, that you can grab the safe and run, because it will not burn that fast. Yes, now for prolonged times on fire, everything burns. Even metal will burn and demolish, and we know that. These ones are fire protective or fire resistant safes that do an excellent job, especially for the price point, to hold some of your mainly valuables on it, like, I don't know, car registration, insurance, home deed, money, jewelry, extra emergency phone, documents on a USB drive, some jewelry, valuables, in that case, God forbid, everything else goes. These things here are with some monetary value to them. Can be used that way if they're not sentimental values. So yes, the safe does the job. And I like how it has this stop right here. It doesn't just shut to catch your fingers. It has almost like a 45-degree, I would say, stop. If you push it more, then it goes into full close. And you just lock it and store it away wherever you store your safe, I guess. And just please don't tell me under the bed. But besides that, it is really well built, very well designed. And yes, just like the other ones from SentrySafe, they're made by Master Lock from Milwaukee, the company itself. I think they're actually made in Mexico as material, but the company is from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. If you're not from US, it's a state up north called Wisconsin. That's where this company is based. You can contact them anytime just in case you're dissatisfied or something goes wrong with it or there's a problem with it that you notice. They encourage you, instead of going to the store where you bought it or Amazon where I bought it, you call the number. They have a number right here in this paper, and you give them a serial number. There's a serial number printed on this paper, and you tell them what the problem is with yours in case you have a problem. I haven't had any problems with them for years and years, but just in case that happens, you are encouraged to call the company directly and give them this code. And with that said, I think these are really, really good additions to your security or, I don't know, preparedness just in case of an emergency to have there. You have all your valuables and documents inside. It is closed and locked, and you just grab it and probably, if you need to run, grab the whole thing and toss it in the car, and it should be good to go. With that said, link will be below. As always, it is an affiliate link. I make a small commission if you buy from it at zero cost or extra cost to you, and that will help this channel and me and whoever is dependent on it greatly, beyond what you can actually imagine. I know it's small stuff, but actually every penny counts in this world. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and thank you for staying here. I hope you're gonna hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time with another probably Sentry product, because as I did with the heaters, I like to take a whole mini series of products that I believe some of you might know or might want to know how they look, how they feel, how they work, and that's why we are here on YouTube. Bye!